All right, if you're trying to sign up or log into Rebtel and you keep seeing that annoying verification failed message, here's how you can fix it in 2025. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Sounds simple, but if your network is unstable, Rebtel won't confirm your number. Step 2. Double check your phone number. Even a single-digit mistake will cause verification to fail. If everything looks good, go ahead and request a new code. You can tap Resend Code, and if the SMS still doesn't come through, try the Call Me option if it's available. Step 3. Restart the app. Sometimes just closing and reopening clears the glitch. If not, uninstall and reinstall Rebtel. On Android, you can also go into Settings, Apps, Rebtel Storage, and clear the cache. On iPhone, just offload the app and reinstall. Step 4. If it still won't verify, test with another number. Sometimes the issue is with your SIM itself, so trying an active number can help. And finally, if none of these work, contact Rebtel support directly through the in-app help or at help.rebtel.com. They can manually verify your account if needed. And that's it. One of these fixes should solve the problem. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more quick fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.